What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Mintlayer ML. Never heard of this coin before, but I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. I did kind of look at the charts before I started at this, and woo! So we're up 7.4% at 23 cents. Market cap extremely small, only 28 million, with 124 million coins in circulation out of 600 million. So you want to figure out, when is their unlocking period? How much coins can unlock in a certain amount of time? Dilute the market, so on and so forth. Obviously, you guys know that since you're in crypto, correct? Obviously, you guys know about all this stuff. Now, all-time high was 5 months ago at 98 cents. We did not breach a dollar yet. All-time low was 9 months ago at 2 cents. So that dollar, man, that ever out of reach dollar was our resistance here. I think this thing's easily going to overtake it. Now, markets currently available on MEXC, Bitmart, Gate.io, BingX, BitGet, Poloniex, Matcha. Never heard of that. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Mintlayer. Yo, Mintlayer right now. So this chart right now, we peaked out around that 98 cents. According to MEXC, we did breach that dollar. You actually wicked up to 101. So congratulations. Obviously, that was a top signal. Those round numbers are very, very difficult to get over, especially going from 2 zeros to no zeros, breaking that dollar barrier. But this is actually looking pretty solid. I know it looks horrible since January 2024, but look, you guys ran from November 2023 to that top. You guys ran 42x. What do you expect in that short period of time from November 2023 to January 2004? You did a 40 some, what was that, 42x? Obviously, you need some cool down after that, boys. You can't go to the moon and then just go right back. You need to let those boosters cool down for a bit before you go parabolic again. Jeez. Now, if we draw our fib from the high to low right now, we did unfortunately break below our 618, which we do not want to do. Did we break below it? Yeah, which we do not want to do, because that lifelong 618 was our main support area. So this is not bearish. We have to keep that 382 in the back of our mind at about 9.8 cents. Not saying we're going down there. That's a huge drop. I know it is. I don't think we're going down there, but judging by technical perspectives, that 382 is actually in play there. So 9.8 cents. If you're taking notes, write that on a sticky note. But what we really want to focus on is the short term, which is from that high to this low right here, which hypothetically speaking, not hypothetically, you can see right on the screen, the 786 is our next support at around 18 cents. If you break below that, the next 618 is at about 11. Now, I don't think we're going to be seeing much more downwards movement by this. I know a lot of the market's red right now. This coin really hasn't capitulated that much today comparative to a lot of other coins, which is pretty good. The MACD did have a little bit of a bearish fake out. We're just showing some slight consolidation right now with really no movement right there on the MACD. RSI is looking fantastic, starting to tail back up to the upside, along with the WTX bopping around here, putting in higher highs and higher lows outside of this movement right here. So what we can currently be looking for here for ML is a slight retracement down to the 786 at about 18 cents. The big move would be when you break out of this downtrend resistance area. You break out of this downtrend resistance area, that's when this coin's going to start going parabolic. Now, obviously, we're seeing this downtrend right now because we did a 42x in a very, very short period of time. You can't continue up forever, guys. Obviously, when you make large moves like that, especially when we're not in the hyperbolic phase of the bull run, you're going to have lengthy corrections. And I think the lengthy correction most likely will be finished at around the 786 at about 18. And then hopefully we can see that reversal to the upside and our boosters have cooled off since this parabolic move right here. We can have our second ascension to the moon, which would bring this coin and the bull run top. If I had to make a bull run top prediction, the 1618's up here at around $10. I think ML does have the possibility to go to $10, which if we did bounce off that area and went up here, that's another 41x with a small market of only 28 million, easily doable. Now, this is just based off charts. I have no idea the utility of this whatsoever. I have people in the comments like, oh, why can you chart a coin when you don't base it off utility and stuff like that? Trust me, I've been around for a while. Look at meme coins, 99% of them don't have utilities and they go up 100x. Base it off of charts, base it off cycles, base it off trends and patterns. F utility, right? So So ML right now, let's keep an eye on the slight retracement. Once we obviously break out of this downtrend, that's when we're going to go parabolic. I do think this coin will be perfectly fine in the bull run for some possible gains. Realistically, I do think we're going to overtake that dollar. And I did mention that $10, which is hopium. Don't bank on it hitting $10. That was more of a hopium prediction right there. Technically speaking, it's available. 'Cause it's up here, but realistically, I think around $3 would be where I would be start taking profit at the 1 2 3 6, and then start taking profit once we enter up here, because we'll most likely top out between the 1 2 3 6 and 1 6 1 8 this bull run. And if you're waiting for the top and we get right here and head down, you're just going to be a bag holder. That's why you always want to start taking profits once you break some very critical resistance areas, such as the 1 2 3 6 at about $2.50, guys. So Mintlayer right now, I think we're just going to continue in this slight downtrend until we break this downtrend resistance area. We talked about the micro downtrend, which if we drop from here to here would be around that 786 at about 18 cents. So keep an eye on 18 cents. If we happen to break back above 25, then we can reassess the situation. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.